Hey everyone, welcome back. There is a hidden Google System app on your phone right now. It tracks how you use your device, runs in the background, and yes, it can drain your battery. And the worst part is, after updates, it can turn itself back on. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find this hidden app and control it properly so you can improve your privacy and battery life. First, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now look at the top corner and tap on three dots or three lines and turn on Show System Apps. Now tap on the search bar and type Android. Scroll a little and you will see Android System Intelligence. Open it. Now before doing anything, let me explain this in a simple way. This app is used by Android to provide features like smart suggestions and predictions, but it also runs in the background and collects usage data. So if you care about your privacy and battery, you should control it. Now tap on Storage. Tap Clear Data and remove everything completely. Go back and tap on Battery. Set it to Restricted. This is very important because it stops the app from running freely in the background. Now go back again and open Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Turn off background data. Sometimes after updates, it runs back on automatically, so always check this. Now go into Permissions. Disable everything that is not necessary like phone or SMS access. Only keep what you really need. I have personally disabled all permissions and I have no issue. Now go back and tap Force Stop. Even if your phone allows you, you can also disable it. On some phones, this option may not be available, but that's normal. One important thing you must keep in mind. This is a system app, so disabling it may affect some smart features, but your phone will still work fine. Now check your phone and see if this app was enabled or not. Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.